Dive into the world of deep hydration with Moisturizing Cream, your skin's ultimate ally, transforming it from dull and dry to radiantly soft and supple, revealing a healthier, glowing you. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 moisturizing creams available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best moisturizing creams. The 5th product on this list is the LANEIGE Water Bank. This hyaluronic cream is a standout skincare product, living up to its manufacturer's promises with impressive results. Boasting a remarkable 92% reduction in redness, this cream excels in hydration, fortifying the skin barrier and bestowing a translucent glow with its 10 layers of inner skin hydration. What really sets this cream apart is its micro-sized blue hyaluronic acid, a LANEIGE innovation that's 1 in 2,000th the size of the original. This smaller molecular size means better skin absorption, allowing the active ingredients to penetrate more effectively for optimal results. The cream's ability to repair is noteworthy, showing a 300% improvement in damaged skin barriers. In just an hour, it can reduce barrier damage by up to 62.2%, provide an instant 68.2% decrease in dead skin, and maintain an impressive 56.6% moisture retention even after 100 hours. The cream's ingredient list speaks volumes about its quality. It includes squalane for emollient and anti-aging benefits, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid for deep moisturization, and ceramide MP for reinforcing the protective barrier. Clinically tested and proven to increase moisture by 213.6% at the skin's 10th layer, this cream is truly a comprehensive solution for achieving radiant, hydrated, and revitalized skin. Its pros are: it delivers an impressive 92% redness relief, making it suitable for those with sensitive or irritated skin. It has a 300% improvement in damaged skin barrier and the inclusion of ceramide MP. The cream actively strengthens and restores the skin's protective function, and it offers a translucent glow, showcasing its versatility as a comprehensive skincare solution. However, it has some allergy-specific components in the ingredient list, such as dextrin or trimethoprim, so you should exercise caution. The LANEIGE Water Bank is a must-buy for those seeking advanced skincare, ideal for individuals with sensitive skin, redness concerns, or desire for deep hydration. Up next in 4th place is the Belif, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This cream stands out in the skincare world, offering a special remedy for those battling dry and lackluster skin. Imagine a cloud-like whipped texture that delivers a luxurious 26-hour moisture surge, setting it apart from others. It is infused with Belif's Napier's Moisture formula, expertly balancing oil and water in your skin. This not only reduces excess oil, but also provides deep hydration, making it an ideal match for both standard and dry skin types. Belif, drawing on centuries-old herbal wisdom, truly embodies genuine skincare. The brand, inspired by herbalist Duncan Napier's successful use of herbs in treating chronic ailments, infuses this authenticity into every product. The True Cream's slightly thick gel consistency, free from harmful additives, is perfect for normal to dry skin, tackling issues like flakiness and loss of elasticity. More than just a cream, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm is a multifaceted skincare hero. It doubles as a 5-minute emergency moisture mask, showcasing its versatility. Dermatologically tested and devoid of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and synthetic preservatives, it reflects Belif's dedication to skin health. With the soothing, hydrating benefits of comfrey leaf, the cream, despite its initial thickness, absorbs effortlessly, revitalizing and nourishing thirsty skin. This commitment to herbal integrity makes the True Cream Moisturizing Balm a trustworthy partner for achieving glowing, well-hydrated skin. Its pros are: it provides a luxurious 26 hours of intense, long-lasting moisture, catering to the needs of dry and dull skin. It draws inspiration from centuries-old herbal practices, incorporating genuine herbs for skincare, reflecting the brand's commitment to authenticity. And it functions as a 5-minute emergency moisture mask, showcasing versatility in skincare routines. However, it has a slightly thick gel-like consistency, which might be perceived as heavy by those accustomed to lighter formulations. The Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm is a skincare essential for those seeking intense 26-hour moisture with herbal authenticity. making it ideal for individuals with dry or dull skin who appreciate the luxury of dermatologically tested, herbal-infused formulations. Still haven't found a moisturizing cream that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Here's a cream offering a richly whipped texture that provides head-to-toe moisture. It delivers immediate relief and long-term hydration, making it a dream for anyone with dry, distressed skin or eczema. The best part? It leaves your skin feeling smooth and comfortable without any greasy afterfeel. Clinically proven to boost skin hydration by an impressive 169%, this cream is suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive ones. What really makes this fragrance-free moisturizer stand out is what it doesn't include. It's free from alcohol, artificial colorants, fragrances, and other common irritants. Dermatologists tested, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and packaged eco-consciously. It's a product that truly aligns with contemporary skincare ethics. Its lotion-like texture is easy to apply, and you only need a small amount to feel its effects. For those in search of a no-fuss effective moisturizer that respects sensitive skin and steers clear of unwanted ingredients, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is an excellent choice. Its pros are: it acts as an all-over moisturizer for both face and body, providing immediate relief and long-term hydration. It is clinically proven to enhance skin hydration by an impressive 169%, making it a powerful solution for dry and distressed skin. And it is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and packaged in recyclable materials, aligning with environmentally conscious and ethical skincare preferences. However, it might be seen as basic or lacking in aesthetic appeal compared to some other skincare products. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is perfect for those with sensitive skin, seeking immediate relief and long-term moisture without any greasy residue. The second product on this list is the TATCHA Dewy Skin Cream. This next product is ideal for sufferers of dry, itchy, and sensitive skin, thanks to its powerful blend of Japanese superfoods encapsulated in the signature Handase formula. This includes Okinawa red algae, Uji green tea, and Japanese rice bran, all working together to deliver intense hydration, replenish ceramides, and foster a radiant glow. The Okinawa red algae, packed with polysaccharides and nutrients, excels in water retention and strengthens the skin's barrier. Uji green tea, rich in EGCG antioxidants, fights oxidative damage and calms irritation. Japanese rice bran brings its own set of antioxidants and moisturizing properties to the table, enhancing skin recovery and resilience. What's more, the cream's squalane content ensures it absorbs quickly, leaving your skin soft and moisturized without any greasiness. Mallow flower extract adds a soothing touch, making this cream a great fit for sensitive, dry, oily, and combination skin types. The inclusion of ginseng root extract, known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening effects, further boosts the cream's capabilities, helping reduce dark spots and stimulate collagen production. For those seeking a luxurious, antioxidant-rich moisturizer that elevates skincare to new heights, TATCHA, the Dewy Skin Cream, is an enchanting choice for achieving a dewy, youthful complexion. Its pros are: it provides a rich and lasting hydration experience, delivering moisture that lasts up to 26 hours. It is enriched with Japanese purple rice and the Handase 3 complex. The cream incorporates potent anti-aging elements for a youthful and healthy complexion. And it is free from various potentially harmful substances, including alcohol, artificial colorants, fragrances, parabens, sulfates, and more, making it suitable for sensitive skin. However, it contains ingredients like honey and beeswax, making it unsuitable for those seeking entirely vegan skincare options. The TATCHA Dewy Skin Cream is an ideal choice for individuals with dry or normal skin seeking intense hydration, anti-aging benefits, and a luminous complexion, making it an ideal investment for those prioritizing premium skincare and clinically proven results. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top moisturizing cream is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. This moisturizing cream should be your go-to solution for beating dryness, boasting a powerful combo of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and MVE technology. This lusciously rich cream, perfect for both face and body, has a luxurious texture that sinks in quickly, leaving your skin feeling incredibly smooth without any greasy aftermath. What makes this dermatologist-developed cream really shine is the inclusion of 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, reflecting its deep commitment to skin health. It's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. An awesome pick for those with sensitive or eczema-prone skin. And it even has the National Eczema Association seal of acceptance to prove it. CeraVe stands out with its 24-hour hydration mission. Thanks to its patented MVE technology, it continuously releases moisturizing ingredients, making it a dependable ally for anyone seeking ongoing relief from dry, itchy skin. It's incredibly versatile, great for daily use on your face, body, and hands. If you're on the hunt for a non-irritating hypoallergenic moisturizer that fits effortlessly into your skincare routine, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is a perfect choice. It's all about nurturing and strengthening your skin's natural barrier. Its pros are: it has a blend of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and MVE technology, delivering intense and lasting hydration to the skin. Formulated in collaboration with dermatologists, this cream is crafted with a keen understanding of skin needs, ensuring it is suitable for a variety of skin types. It is suitable for use on the face, body, and hands, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for those seeking hydration across different areas, and it is designed to be non-comedogenic. It won't clog pores, and its fragrance-free nature makes it a gentle choice, especially for those with sensitivity to scented products. However, some users might experience initial greasiness before the cream fully absorbs into the skin, which can be a temporary discomfort. The CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is for those seeking a dermatologist-developed fragrance-free solution. This hydration powerhouse, enriched with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, is ideal for anyone wanting 24-hour moisture without greasiness, suitable for face, body, and hands. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.